Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and talking about TPM. So a lot of people, of course, are talking about what TPM is all about. And one of the things that comes very often in the TPM information and people worrying about the TPM is the fact that, if it would fail, you'd lose everything and so on. The thing is that people are overthinking when they talk about that. Not meaning that it can't fail, but it won't fail. These are the things that it's not a problem. And we don't hear stories about, I lost everything because the security of the TPM was gone. It doesn't work like that. These things are rock solid, and most of the TPM is within the computer and the chip and everything. And no, it doesn't mean that you can't access stuff anymore. Where TPM could be a problem if it failed would be in encryption. Because with encryption, without the key, the default key, it's impossible to get back the files. But for standard use, TPM for Windows Hello, for example, you know what? That is one protection, but you can actually get that back if you would, because if it wouldn't be like that, you wouldn't be able to install on a new computer and stuff like that. So, and TPM chips or whatever, hardware failing for that is not something that we see really. These are pretty rock solid. And for the most part, not a problem. It's actually more secure to use TPM than not to use it. A lot of people also are on the impression that TPM, the Trusted Platform Module, will prevent anyone from using a stolen computer, which is not the case. The keys stored are there for your security of your accounts, of your data. It's not there to prevent anybody else from actually, removing everything from the hard drive, doing a clean install, and using your PC. What's going to happen is that if you do a clean install and restart the PC, the TPM chip will be kind of in a reset state where it will store the new keys of the new operating system and the new accounts and so on. It will have forgotten what's in the past. So this is a few things that people think that it's over secure, and that this will prevent stealing of PCs and devices, which is not at all the case. The other thing about TPM, a lot of people are on the impression, regular users don't need TPM. Yes, you do, for a very simple reason. People do banking. Just doing banking on a PC means you need security, and TPM adds a layer of security that makes it even harder for your accounts to get to get hackers go into your accounts or steal your money. Yes, regular users need higher security. When people say, "Oh, we don't need that high security," you don't understand how bad security needs to be at a higher level for everyone, with the things happening out there, the hackers and all the data breach. It is a thing that I personally think, yes, TPM 2.0 should be implemented and should not be able to bypass with Windows 11. We do need higher security today, and it's important that that happens. I think, once again, just to say what is probably the bigger problem, and I think going crazy over the Trusted Platform Module 2.0 is going nuts for nothing, because probably the majority of people that have a PC that's been purchased in the last few years have 2.0. It's just that in many cases it's just not turned on. Once again, the real problem is more in the generation of the chips or the CPU that will block Windows 11. But, going crazy overall. Well, if my TPM trusted platform module, breaks down, I'm going to lose everything. No, you're not. In the extreme cases, it would happen. It would happen in encrypted drives, for example. If you encrypt all your data, stuff like that, and the keys are stored. Okay, but for the most part, regular accounts and stuff, it's not going to block anything. You're going to be able to reinstall, whatever, and just have your things back and have new trusted keys for whatever accounts. So, that's not a thing to worry. I think that's worrying for nothing. And for the rest, like I said, it doesn't prevent anyone from using your computer if it gets stolen. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.